Okay, good morning and welcome 8B Maths chapter number 3. Part 2 we have done first. At the end I will revise that within 2 minutes and 10 numbers. Till now what happened, you have given me the number and I have given you the perfect answer for a perfect cube. Now today I will give you 10 different number. You have to find out with I will repeat that method, and by that method you have to find out the answer within 10 seconds per answer. Now previous part, first part, that I'm going to explain you. Indices means what? The number, how much time it multiply, that power which we indicate, that is a indices of that number. With simple example, only 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times, 6 time, 7 time. Same number is repeating, so that same number will be your base number. So 2 is the base, 2 is the base, 2 is the base, 2 is the base, 2 is the base. That number repeating how many times, that is your indices, that is the power. 2 only one time, 2 two time, 2 3 time, 2 4 time, 2 7 times. So with red I am showing that is the base. With green I am showing that is a power, means indices. In normal in maths we indicate this rest to number, upper number is a power. This is simple example I have taken with 2. Now with a different example also I can say a a a a. It is not power, it is not dot, multiple. A 5 times, x into x into x into x into x into x, 3 3 6 7. So base x, base a, power, indices, how many times it multiply by itself, that is 5, that is 7. So from that you at least got two names, base and the power. Now there are some rules for indices. It is very interesting, and with example I will try to explain. Nidhi, you are coming now. Okay. A raised to m, a raised. No problem, bacha. Same power, same power, same power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who is whistling? Who is whistling? Ishida, remove. Who is that? Give me the name. In online lecture, students are whistling. Huh? Name. No. Somebody is whistling, bacha. My mic is very alert and sharp. And Atharva, whose skeleton you have put as a DP? From face we can identify that who is that. From full skeleton, how we can identify who is there. Babuchak. Now these are the rules of indices. With alphabetical notations are given. That same we will convert into numbers and we will find the answer. In product, till here, base are same. For product base same, for division base same, for power of power base same, for base same with a ratio 0. Same base. Now here two base. With single base, with a double base. So this much formulas are that. With the help of this formula, in next exercise you will write the answer. Means when the base are same and you are multiplying, so base will not change, but power will change. Whatever this power in the from the product you have to add. Okay, so how? For example, a raised to 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 2. So it is 3 raised to 7 plus 2. It is 3 raised to 9. Base same, power different. So the answer will be the total. Base same, in product you have to add the power. Opposite. 5 raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 3. So in division you have to subtract the power. So 5 raised to 10 minus 3, 5 raised to 7. This also I will prove how it is. But now you just try to learn the rule, formula. In product, power will be added. So 7 to plus 9. In division, first power minus second power. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Power of power. For example, 2 raised to 5 raised to 3, for example. So 5 3s are. Sorry, base will not change. With any base, if power is 0, again with any base, power is 0. In exam, no, they will confuse with a different power, but with a different base with the power 0. When power is 0, all answers are unique. 1, for example, 7 raised to 0, 1. 100 raised to 0, 1. 500 raised to 0, 1. 5 Ishida, very blur or okay. I'll jump the network. Here pencil थोड़ा. Pencil you just leave here. Okay, now. Wait. 1 minute. Now see. Okay. Here frequency is changing all of sudden. 50 and 70 in between. Okay, now with any base, power will be 0, but the overall answer will be always 1. If power is 0, whatever the base, forget about the base. If the power is 0, overall answer will be always 1. Next, if power is positive, from numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, it will change. For example, a raised to 7, so it becomes a raised to minus 7. From numerator to denominator, sign of the power only will change. Second example, a raised to minus 9, a raised to plus 9. With number also, 7 raised to 3, 1 by 7 raised to minus 3. And 5 raised to minus 6, 1 by 5 raised to plus 6. When from numerator to denominator, sign of power only will change. If it is plus, become minus. If it is minus, become plus. If it is plus, become minus. If it is minus, become plus. See here, all from plus to minus. So these I will write here. Because both I have written separate. In textbook they have given same. So here suppose 7 raised to minus 3. So it is 1 by 7 raised to 3. So for plus it becomes minus. And for minus it becomes plus. Okay, so here 2 raised to minus 8, 1 by 2 raised to 8. Correct? Like that. Examination is calling. Now these all are with the same base. Now with two different base. See, if 3 is there, 5 is there, then power is 7. Overall power is 7. So you can write 3 raised to 7 and 5 raised to 7. If it is 5 by 7 raised to 3, so 5 raised to 3, 7 raised to 3. Correct? Here also, what here we have done, numerator to denominator from plus to minus. Here we have done minus to plus. Now here only we have to change the numerator denominator. For example, if it is 5 by 7 is 3. So when we interchange 7 by 5 will be minus 3. Change numerator denominator, so plus becomes minus. 2 by 3, if it is minus 5. So it is 3 by 5 plus 5. No need to write plus, but I am mentioning because I have changed. So when you will change this, so plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Same, 3 into 7 raised to 2. So 3 raised to also 2, 7 raised to also 2. Second example, 5 into 9 raised to 3. So 5 is to 3, 9 is to 3. So these are the different formulas. Again screen is blurred. I mention all the things. Now okay. From here it is. Now because here nothing is moving, then also power is fluctuating. Every day no this happens. Okay, now they have given 3 raised to 5, 3 raised to 2. So 3, 5 plus 2, it is 3 raised to 7. Second, they have given 3 raised to 9, 3 raised to 7, divide by 3 raised to 9. So 3, 7, division, so minus. Minus power, so from this side now my power is around, it is showing Now see, check. Okay. It is headache. Third example given, 3 raised to 4 raised to 5. Power of power means product. 3, 4 into 5, 20. Fourth, 5 raised to minus 3. 1 by 5 raised to 3. Plus, whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? Five raised to 0, it is 1. With any base, power is 0, then final answer is 0. Five raised to 1 means 5 one time only. One time 5 products, so overall 5. 7, 5 to 7 raised to 2, 5 square, 7 square, different power. 8, 5 by 7 raised to 3, 5 by 3, 7 raised to 3. 9 they have given, 5 by 3, 5 by 7, minus 3, reverse, 5 by 7 by 5. So in product we have to add the power. In division we have to subtract the power. If it is negative, goes down, becomes positive. Power of power, multiply, so you will get the answer. Negative in denominator, it becomes positive. For any base raised to 0 means answer is 1, 1, 1. 6, 5 raised to 1, so 5. Different base, same power, so same power to both. Different base, same power, so power to both. If negative power, invert, you will get positive power. Okay, just take a screenshot, so it will be useful. From the video also you will get. This we have seen power. Now we will see root power. In next group. If you want to take just take screenshot. Fifth root of 13. Fifth root of 13. Sixth root of 9. Square root of 256. Cube root of 17. Eighth root of 100, 7 root of 30. So these are the sentence given into the word that we have to convert into the mathematical symbol. So how we will write 39 to 56. Only. Now these are the fractional power, root power. Fifth root means we have to write 1 by 5. Sixth root 1 by 6. Not 6 power, sixth root. Eighth root, 7 root. Square means 2. Root means what? In denominator you are writing. Cube means what? 3. Again. Fifth root 1 by 5. Sixth root 1 by 6. Square means 2. 1 by 2. Cube root 1 by 3. Eighth root 1 by 8. Seventh root 1 by 7. Now reversible. 81, 49, 15, 512, 100, 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 19, 1 by 7. Correct? So, fourth root, square root, fifth root, ninth root, 19th root. Correct? Seventh root of what? Of 81, of 49, of 115, of 512, of 100, of 6. So what we have learned from word to symbolic and symbolic to word. Again I am explaining. This calling. So base you have to write this. Same. Now fifth root 1 by 5, sixth root 1 by 6, square root 1 by 2, cube root 1 by 3, eighth root 1 by 8, seventh root 1 by 7. Now reverse. You don't write this. Root of 81, root of 49, root of 15, root of 512, root of 100, root of 6. Now which root? Fourth root. Square, if it is 2, square root. If it is 3, cube root. So fifth root, ninth root, 19th root, 7th root. Again take the screenshot. So these are the answers I have given. Now ulta pulta. What happened? One minute. हाँ सर. તમે કહો ત્યારે જાય. ઓકે, કાલે એની સાથે કોન્ટેક્ટ કરવાની કોશિશ કરો. આ તો કાલે કદાચ કરી, કાલે જ જશું સર. હવે આજે ને આજે ગોઠવી દીધું છે બધું. હા સર, હા. Your lecture will be up to 25. No, wait. Only one group, that is Raman. 225, 45, 81, 100, 27, 21. Three by two, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 4 by 10, 3 by 7. So here power of the root. Here root of the power. This is called base. This is called power. This is called root. Try to understand this. X raised to power is a by b. So numerator, your numerator is power, but your b denominator is root. Here two things they have asked. First write power, then write root. Here same thing, but in reversible, root and power. So power is how much? 3 power. 3 power means what? Cube. Cube. Root square of 225. Try to understand. Power. Fourth power. Fourth power. Power of fifth root. Of 45. Which power? Sixth power of seventh root of 81. Fourth power of 10th root of 100. 3 power means cube. Cube of 7th root of. So first I have written all. First part is all numerator. Cube power, 4th power, 6th power, 4th power, 3 power means cube power. Then I have written denominator. 2 means square root. 5 means 5th root. 7 means 7th root. 10 means 10th root. 7 means 7th root. Of what? Of 225, of 45, of 81, of 100, of 21. Now reversible. Now reversible. Which root? Which root? First we will find out root. Square root. Which root? 5th root. Which root? 7th root. Which root? 10th root. See opposite. 7th root. Root I will write first. Of. Which power? Cube. 3 power we are not writing. Cube. 4th power. 6th power. 4th power. 3 power means cube power. Of. Again of 225. Of 45. Of 81. Of 100. Of 21. So any one that mathematical symbol you can read in two ways. A power of b root of x. Ulta. d root of a power of x, up to down, down to up, in the zigzag way you can read. So just mention the heading, power of root or root of power, and according to the question you have to write the answer. Power of root, so power first, a power of b root of x, follow, and ulta, root of the power, b root of a power of x, so which is given. See, students are living one by one from 52, now it is 44. What is going on? Again you can take the screenshot, this is the ready-made answer this I have given from all that. Okay, now how much minutes remain, because we have another lecture also, no? Okay, I am giving you the question. Don't do by calculator, do by my method, AB method. Okay, just note down fast. I am speaking also, you just note down. Number, find cube root. Sorry, here, find root of number, answer. So 1 5 5 1 3 6 8, second 2 7 4 6 2 5 3 5 0 6 5 3 4 8 0 4. Wait, disturbing beta, I will punish. 6 8 5 9 1 1 0 5 9 2 7 5 5 1 3 6 8 3 7 4 6 2 5, correct. 5 0 6, correct. 8 4 3 3, correct. Correct. 1 1 0 5 everything on this, correct. I am giving this 10 questions, 10 number. Don't use calculator. Try to use my method and just write down the double digit A and B group. Find out the answer in next lecture. I will give you the answer. You just take a, you just copy or you just take a screenshot. Okay. Thank you. Beta, send me the attendance message, all the backup.